Hi guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to edit images on Picsart. So the first thing first you need to do is open the Picsart app on your phone and wait for it to launch. Okay, so here click on the plus icon at the bottom and then choose a photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this for this image. So this is the tool of the Picsart. You can basically use anything and edit anything. The goal here is to probably fix the photo. You can do the free crop, shape crop, dispersion, motion, stretch, curves, adjust the photo. For example, I want to adjust the brightness and then just swipe this circle, for example, and then the contrast just like so. And also I want to edit the maybe saturation just like that. Okay, and then click on check icon at the top right. If you want to do other maybe you want to add some effect, just click on effects, and then here you can see there are a bunch of effects that you can use from the app. You can add some noise effect, foam effect, and also glitch effects. There is also vinyl effect and etc. I want to use this one, and then click on check icon again. When you're done with your editing, just click on save icon at the top, and then you can choose whether you want to save it as JPG, PNG, or PDF. I'm going to choose as JPG, and then you can also adjust the quality of the picture, which determine the size of the file. I want to use 100%, and then click on save, and just like that your photo has been saved to your gallery. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you can edit your images on Picsart. So that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.